Understanding the type code for the Kollmorgen S300 servo drive, the S30361-NA. S3 identifies the drive as an S300 servo drive. 03 denotes a rated current of 3 amps. 6 indicates an input voltage range from 110 to 230 volts. 1 indicates a safe torque off as the safety feature. NA denotes the available can open interface. FAQ. What is the rated input power for continuous operation? The rated input power is 1.1 kVA. What is the bandwidth of the current controller? It is greater than 1.2 kHz. What are the dimensions of the drive? The dimensions are 270 mm by 70 mm by 171 mm. What is the noise emission max? The noise emission max is 26 dB/A. How much does the S300 drive weigh? It weighs approximate 2.6 kilograms. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Kollmorgen drive sales and replacements.